Hey YouTube, I wanted to make this video. Little did I know how relevant this would be. I got some news, I guess about 3 or 4 hours after making this video that I really want to share with you. So watch the video and you'll hear the news. All right, this is Tina Fortune. Hey YouTube, and I have here for awesome little teens and preteens. We're going to watch a movie called Kids. It's armed with a raw, provocative script penned by 19-year-old Harmony Corrine. And this is actually Larry Clarke's Kids that was filmed back in 1995. I saw this in an AIDS class that I took in college, and it really was mind-blowing for me at that time. And I actually ended up getting married about 6 months later, so I think it's a huge impact. It's about 12 and 13-year-old kids and HIV and virgins and sex, and really, it's really about what we're talking about today in our society. So I'm going to have the girls introduce themselves, ask them a few questions. We're doing this before the movie, and then I'm going to come back and give you their answers after the movie as well. So we'll start over here. Go ahead and state your name and your age.
I'm Lera. I'm 13 years old. Hi, I'm Anastasia. Hi, I'm Ariel. I'm 14 years old.
All right, and Lorraine and Dominique are my children, and Anastasia and Ariel are my friend Deshauna's children. So we do have parental permission before viewing this film. So, girls, just 3 quick questions, and feel free to chime in whenever you want. But what do you know right now about sex?
That you have it with another person, and it's supposed to be before marriage. After marriage, and for adults. And you can have babies.
Okay. Now, how do you feel about sex?
I mean, most people are pressured into it. Yeah. What else? I mean, what do I mean? Like, what do I? I mean, what do I physically feel about it? I mean, it's like it's another part of life. It's part of our hormones. It's natural. Teenagers think about it. Yeah.
Okay, so when we talk about sex, give me some adjectives that describe sex.
Feels good. Oh, good. I mean, you want to chime in any time. The emotional. You feel good, like physical, smelly. Yeah, heard that one.
Okay. Do you know anyone? You all are in middle school. Do you know anyone that's having sex?
Yes. Yeah.
And what do they say about sex?
A lot. If it hurts, don't do it. Yeah.
Later.
Some people out of school work right there.
Okay. And what do you know about HIV?
That it's an STD, and it can be spread through blood or sexual contact. And it causes AIDS.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you. Now we're going to go and watch Kids, 1995 Larry Clarke's Kids. It is a very graphic, detailed portrayal of 12 and 13-year-olds having sex and doing things. So, girls, we'll come back and get your reaction after the movie. So, signing off. All right. We just got done watching Larry Clarke's Kids, and we're going to get a reaction from the girls. What did you think of the movie? And you can chime in at any time.
Wow, horrible. I mean, it wasn't horrible. It was very graphic, so to speak. I mean, anybody under the age of 10 should watch it, just to say. 10. Yeah.
That is horrible. The way the kids spend their life like that.
That's like, I mean,
Whoa.
sex every day for a married couple, okay, that's normal. But not a child, not 14 times a week, 2 times a day. I mean, it's just weird.
No, talk a little bit about the movie for those that have not seen the movie. Talk a little bit about what happened in the movie. What hit you the most, and what was most profound for you?
The fact that he's like spreading HIV to everyone, that is horrible. And he doesn't even know it.
And the fact that he wants to take advantage of virgins. If he's going to have sex with someone that,
I would like to know who gave him the HIV and punch him in it.
No, you should punch him in the face.
After watching this movie, how do you feel about sex?
I don't even want to do it, but it's disgusting.
We get married.
No comment.
Yeah, no problem.
Get tested.
Like, woo.
So let me ask you this. After viewing this movie, what is something that you could say to your friends that you know are having sex?
Watch Kids, and
I
it will
know.
change your whole
Perspective on it. I mean,
everything.
seriously.
So tell a parent that might have a 13, 14, 15-year-old that's having sex or thinking about sex, should they have their kids watch this movie?
Yes, and talk to them about
Get
it.
show child and check.
Talk to them about it because
That's how it
if they're doing it, it's a cause and effect reason. They're doing it to cover up something, or because a boy's coming around. Sorry, baby. Or because they're maybe sneaking around, or the parents not showing them enough attention. Everything is cause and effect.
Okay. So after watching this, what was your reflection on the drugs, the sex, and the alcohol? What are you thinking about drugs?
I really never thought about it. I mean, I've been pressured into it, but I mean, that's not one of my fortes. I'm not like that.
Yeah, no.
Anastasia, what do you think?
On drugs, you don't want to do it because it'll take you to a whole other world. You getting up dead the next day. You don't know what will happen. When them drugs in you.
Okay. After we watched the kids, one of the things that your mom and I noticed was that the parents weren't there. How important and effective is it for your parents to be in your life? And, some of us, like me, are nosy. So how does that make you feel knowing that your parents do care that much about you?
It feels good. Feels good. At first, you don't like it because your parents are all up in your business, on your phone, on your MySpace, talking to your friends and stuff like that. But I mean, I'm just saying, I mean, I'm actually glad that my mom's all up in my field.
Mom, she's strict.
So, do you advise other people to show their kids this movie? Yes or no?
No. Yes.
Has it changed your life, and if so, how?
Kind of, sort of.
I want to wait till you get married. Yeah, I'm not gonna move to New York. I'm not even gonna think about New York.
Well, now I know how boys talk, so I mean, at first
they say they love you.
Well, you've heard some girls say some things too.
Yeah.
So, I mean, girls talk that way too. So, what is some advice? Do you think a boy should watch this movie?
Yes.
Everybody should.
Yes. Every
Parents too. Girls.
parents too. Yeah.
All right.
You're not even a parent to watch this movie.
Any final comments?
Don't have sex until you're married.
I think that's good advice. All right. Well, thanks, girls. And again, for all the parents, this is, we did a preview of Larry Clarke's Kids, and I really think that you should get it and have your kids watch it. All right. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and
Subscribe.
thank you.
Well, we get home, and my daughter finds out through her MySpace with her friend that he is going to be a father at the age of 13. He has a 9th grader pregnant who's 14. Listen, if you think this is not for real, you're missing it. Have your kids watch this, kids. I mean, I didn't realize how much of an impact it would have, even coming home and hearing news like this. So, what do you say? When you find out at 13, my kid's pregnant, my kid's going to have a baby, my kid's going to be a father, 13 and 14, please be there for your kids, talk to your kids. I do plan on, for those of you that are members of Spark, this week, tune into my Blog Talk radio show. I'm going to start a segment with my daughter about teen talk, because this is for real, okay? This is real life, and I like to bring things to my page that are relevant on my channel on YouTube. So please talk to your kids about sex. Don't hide it from them. Be the one to educate them about alone time, and really consider getting that movie, Larry Clarke's Kids. Thanks.